I've seen some crazy things on the internet, but this one, man, this one just hits different. You think you know how the world works. You think the most powerful building in the country is, a fortress watched by 1,000 cameras, a place where nothing gets in or out without permission. And then you see this. From a window on the second floor of the White House, my first thought was, what the hell am I even looking at? My second thought was, what in the world could be so important that you have to get rid of it like that? And here's the thing that gets me, the part that makes this feel like a real-life spy movie. You have the official story, some boring talk about a contractor doing routine maintenance. But then, just a few hours later, you have the president himself saying something totally different.
There's a video that is circulating online now of the White House where a window is open to the residents upstairs and somebody is throwing a big bag out the window. Have you seen this?
No, that's probably AI generated.
So,
Actually, you can't open the windows. You know why? They're all heavily armored and bulletproof.
He says the video is fake. He says those windows don't even open. Wait, what? A direct contradiction from the top. And that, my friends, is where the real mystery begins. When you get two completely different stories from the people who are supposed to be in charge, you know there's something they're not telling us. I mean, if the video is real, and let's be honest, it looks pretty real, that means someone was throwing something out of the White House that they shouldn't have. And my personal theory, I think that bag was full of something far more than just a contractor's tools. I think it was shredded documents. Something they needed to get rid of in a hurry before a search warrant could be executed or someone could come knocking. And why is Trump talking about it at all? Could have just stayed silent. But by saying it's AI generated, it's like he's trying to send a different message. Or maybe he's just so surprised by it himself that he's reacting publicly. It's so weird, right? I'm telling you, this is the part of the story that's not getting enough attention. Was it a document dump, a secret message, or a piece of evidence that someone panicked and threw away? We may never get a straight answer, but what this video tells me is that even in the most secure places, secrets find a way out. And sometimes they're just tossed out a window for the whole world to see. So, what's your take? What do you think was in that bag, and which story do you believe? Let me know in the comments below.